As the flow rate reduces on your LifeSaver Liberty, it may mean it's time to replace the ultrafiltration cartridge. To do this, remove the base. Discard any water that's in the bottle, and then, using the tabs on the bottom of the filter, unscrew it anti-clockwise and pull it from the bottle. Discard the old filter. Then with clean hands, take your new filter and remove the flush cap that is on the top. You'll need this later for if you need to clean your filter. Take the Liberty bottle and drop the filter down into the centre. Then screw it up clockwise, again using the tabs to make sure it's tight. Then refit the base, and all that's left to do is to prime your new filter.